Welcome back to another daily doodle session. I decided to draw some hot chocolate for you guys today, just to keep you all warm in this cold winter weather. So what we're going to start with is going to be our mug. So just start drawing the outline here. You can of course choose any shape for your mug. I'm just going with a more traditional one. Then I'm going to add the handle. Then after you're done with that, we're going to add some whipped cream. All right, so when you've done that, we're going to just kind of draw a little line here. Imagine it's pouring down on the side of your mug a little bit. Okay, so after that, I'm just going to kind of draw in some lines here. After all, this is whipped cream, so just we want to kind of demonstrate the swirly shape there. And the next thing I was thinking of adding perhaps some marshmallow. I think that would look good in our hot chocolate here. So maybe let's add one here. I think I'll add another one in here. Maybe a few more. There's one there. Okay, and maybe I'll add more a little bit later. The next thing I was thinking of adding, maybe a candy cane would look good in our hot chocolate. So let's see, which side should I add it on? Maybe over here. I feel like it's missing a candy cane just from there. Right, so I'll kind of maybe start over here. And I think it's going to be kind of stopping right there. All right. I think that looks quite good there. What else shall we add? Sprinkles? Yeah, why not? We could add sprinkles. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to start adding some color to a drawing. So first I'm just going to draw in some of these little marshmallows. Maybe a few little sprinkles here and there. Again, of course, you can choose any color that you fancy. I feel like using pink today. Why not? Okay. Now, after that's done, I'm going to just add some lines to my candy cane. I think like the line should go this direction today. Well, don't worry about that line there. We're just gonna try and cover it up a little bit with the red lines. Or of course you can always leave a gap there, and then that kind of solves the problem. Okay, so now we've got our candy cane. Next, I'm going to maybe use my thick pen, marker pen. Oh, what did I say? Thick red marker pen. And just kind of start outlining my mug. I'm not going to color all of it in today. I'm just gonna kind of give it an accent color. Oh, maybe like that. Okay. And I'm going to decorate my mug I think I'm going to add stars or maybe snowflakes to it. But you know what? You can add anything that you like. Dots, circles, triangles, shapes, snowman maybe. Yeah, why not? Well, I'm just gonna go with something very simple today. Maybe a little one there. Maybe an even smaller one over here. Just have a little play with it. Okay. Right. Anything else? I think maybe one more marshmallow. Why not? I'm going to add it perhaps over here. And I feel like once I've done that, my hot chocolate here is complete. Alright, there you go. Some hot chocolate to warm you all up. And tomorrow I'll come with something else. And I hope to see you there.